So I'm an attorney turned private investigator, and I specialize in the field of probate, of searching for missing heirs and inheritance assets.
So, what we're talking about then is somebody can't be found. There's a beneficiary that needs to be found after someone dies, and you're the guy to find it.
Right. Or sometimes they don't even know who the heirs are.
Yeah.
So we will take on cases where someone dies and whoever a court appointed attorney is handling the estate doesn't know who the heirs are, or they know one side of the family, they know the maternal heirs, but not the paternal heirs, or vice versa.
Why is that important?
Well, it's especially important in the case where someone dies without a will, because the heirs are the people who are going to inherit. But even if they're not inheriting, according to law, they still are allowed notice of the estate. So they might want to object to a will or whatever the case might be, but by law they're entitled to notice. So therefore they need to be identified and located. So that includes anybody who's named as a beneficiary in the will, as well as an heir. And a lot of people think that an heir is someone who inherits, and not always gets some. You might have people who are not related who inherit under the will, or vice versa. You have people who are heirs who don't inherit. So children of the deceased are heirs. Whether they inherit or not is a different story, but they are still heirs at law. The heirs at law tend to be the closest relatives to the deceased.
What you're saying is that your job is to find people and make sure that the family members are properly notified so that they can enforce the rights if they want to. And if they don't want to enforce the rights, that's okay. But at least they've been given the opportunity to bring some sort of a claim or objection or just not do anything, right?